Welcome. In front of me is a REDBEAT E3, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, navigate to Organize. Scroll down and select Manage SIM, and this in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now by default, the phone will try to import these contacts to your Google account if you have one signed in. If you don't, it will default to the only other option that it will have, which is the device, and you won't see this option right here, Save To, as the only option you would have is the device. Additionally, you can also see that on my end, there's a couple of contacts that are grayed out and deselected. The reason for that is these contacts already exist on my device, but if I were to change it to the device itself, you can see I can now import all of them. And additionally, I can also deselect ones that I don't want. From there, click on Import, and you can see we have 4 contacts imported. Now, when you go back to your contacts list, you might need to change the display location depending on where you have imported your contacts to. And you can do so by clicking either right here and changing, for instance, to the device, or possibly here. Nope, never mind, so it's just here. Under all contacts, you have option to display contact, like all of them, contacts, Google Contacts, device, or SIM card. Here are the contacts that I have imported. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.